Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your research that you've done with Google Gemini into a document. Okay, right, so here I went to google.com and I typed in Gemini, and the first result I have here is Google Gemini. So I'm just gonna click on it, and it takes me to the Gemini interface. Okay, so let's do some research. I want to understand what happened in the latest Tesla earnings. So summarize for me the latest Tesla earnings. Let's see. Okay, Tesla first quarter earnings for 2025, released April 22nd, fell short of analyst expectations. Here's a summary of key points. Revenue, okay, tariff, blah, blah, blah. So it's very, very detailed context into what happened. Okay, so I kind of like it, and I want it into a document so I can share. So here's what we can do. Okay, when we get here to the bottom, okay, you see this option here with share and export. So we're gonna click on it, and you can draft a Gmail, but I want it in Docs. So I can just export in Docs. And you see here, new document created. So let's open the Docs, and ta-da! These are the results that we had seen in the Gemini interface exported into a doc. It already gave the document a title, which was my prompt, summarize for me the latest Tesla earnings. You can edit latest Tesla earnings, and then I can come here and share it with whoever I think needs access.